Don't you to go. Don't you to go.
Oh my days, I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say the word. I'm gonna say it, chat. No one can stop me as well. No one can stop me. No top wick on this candle, chat. Holy shit. What is poppin', everybody? How we doing, man? Welcome back to the streams. What is good? What's poppin'? Good evening, good morning, good night, good afternoon. Happy midday. Happy good afternoons. Happy good mornings, all of them, chat. What's good, everybody? What's good? Adrino, Anil, Gareth, Adam, Danny, Mark, Dan, Joe. Holy shit, chat. Whole gang's here, man. What's poppin'? Wait. All right, that's a bit better. Chat, welcome back to the streams, everybody. How's everyone been? Happy Friday. Hopefully you guys are having a good Friday so far. I had a fat break even, I'm not going to lie. But chat, let's jump into an analysis real quick. See, here's the break even, by the way. So sad. Had some nice wick entry sells from here when that candle opened up, right? Pretty clean, came down, and then just went, boop, no, and then came down. But we moved, chat. Look, it's Friday. It's coming towards the end of the week right now. We got a weekly doji candle currently. Daily yesterday closed bearish, but kind of weak bearish. No top wick on either. 4 hour as well, chat. Has just flipperoonied. Interesting. So chat, let's take a look at the levels right now. There's levels to this game. $1 billion. Chat, first level 69 right here. Maybe 69. Wait. Nah, it's going to be a little bit lower. 66.9, chat, is the level right here that we have. If you close below there, you should rip down towards the bottom of the next range, chat, which is going to be all the way towards 71. Now, you have another level here, I think, at 73. Let's just see. Oh, I've got bars. That rhymed. That rhymed. Is it 73? Yeah, I think it is, chat. Closure above 73 should take us to the promised land. After you close above 73, most times you pop up towards 79 anyway, which gives you 60 pips of room, apart from this time here. But realistically, I think you should rip anyway. So chat, pretty simply right here, we're going to be looking for the buys after a closure back above that 73 level. It's also going to be a breaking structure on the 1 hourly. I can't take buys right now. As you can see, we close respecting the level. So it's either going to be the sells below 66.9, the buys above 73 up towards 79, or obviously we'll take those sells down towards 55, right, chat? Very simple, very easy analysis. Hopefully it makes sense to you guys. If it doesn't, what the fuck do you think you're doing, man? No, I'm joking. Yeah, listen, a lot of potential today, chat. We got Mr. Powell speaking today. Jackson Hole Symposium ends today as well, I think. So, like, a lot of the time they'll tell the press what happened, and that's when the news starts to go crazy. Remember, it's Friday. I haven't had a single blood... Oh, no, apart from this morning, I haven't had a single blood clot trade all week, and the trade I had this morning was a break even, so... What are we going to do? President Trump speaking as well at 7, chat. Holy shit. What's good, Rosie? What's good, Ihab? Willu, what's good? Rastafari, I'm not saying hi to you, bro. You don't get a hello. Ali Jamal, what's good, brother? Are we allowed to trade without breaking funded account rules? Yeah, I think so, bro. What did you take in the morning? It was a 1 hour wick entry, right? The 1 hour closed super bearish after a big top wick. It came up first. I got a wick entry from here. Wait, no. I had two. I got one higher up. Yeah, I got a bad boy entry on the second one, actually. I did the thing where I split the position again. So I had a wick entry from like here And what ended up happening was we came down and flipped. So I went to break even and then we came back up and hit break even. Pretty simple, but that's it. What's good, Jay? Oh my God, we're so back. 2 trades and 2 wins this week. W. I went with the same trade, but took a stealth stop on the flip. Did you get profit, Malenko? Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream, man. 45 people in here right now. Only 12 bomber clat likes. Any trade copies you'd recommend? For what? Forex or futures? Tell me. Tell me, please. Chat, can we just make a milli, please? Forex, Traders Connect is not bad. No, wait. Yeah, Traders Connect is the one that's okay. They're all a bit whack, but Traders Connect is what I would use. What's good, Danny? Chat, 5 minutes here till a 15-minute closure. Consolidation of doom right now as well. Holy skibs. Haven't taken anything today. It's probably not a bad shout. FX levels. Same shit, bro. Just find the same structure on FX. To be fair, you technically did break structure on FX, so you could take the buys, or you could have the level right here, same as you did before. That should take you up towards like the highs up here. And here. And here. Something like that. Maybe even further down, right? Chat, listen, a lot of opportunity today, man. Literally a lot of opportunity. Hopefully we can grab a nice little position. But realistically, let's see, chat. If nothing forms, I'm not going to force it. But realistically, I think we should get something. Maybe we're going to wait till Powell speaks. I'm not sure what he's chatting about. Probably his usual bullshit. We're not going to raise the rates. No, I don't know. But what's he speaking about? Let's see. What does Forex Factory say? Due to speak about the economic outlook and monetary policy framework at the Jackson Hole Economic Policy Symposium in Wyoming. Okay, bro. Can't force plus this Friday? Yeah, trust me. I've not enjoyed trading news recently. Yeah, trading news is obviously not the best thing to do, to be honest. Stay away if you can. All right. Chat. It's time, man. It's time. Oh. I can't lie, I'm pretty tired, man. It's been a long week. I got so much content to film this afternoon, but it's been a long ass week. It's time to sleep. It's time to make a milli. It's time to do everything. I need 1 billion coffees. Fuck 1 million beers, 1 billion coffees. Chat, I went to the bank today for a investment opportunity that I've got, right? I don't want to discuss too much. And this guy basically went 24. You're not getting any money. I was like, what? Please? He was like, no. No. How am I meant to leverage my money if I can't get a bank loan? No Ultra Strawberry Monster? Not today. I didn't go to the shop today. I was too busy. I have half of yesterday's Monster, if that counts. It's fucking disgusting, but I'm a caffeine addict, chat. Nah, not really. 30-minute flipped here. I have a spare 10 quid if you need it. Goat. Absolute goat. Nah, man. Have you tried frozen Monster? Do you mean frozen? If so, then no. Holy chat. Bro, it's so backwards, man. I literally said, I'm going to put do I want to say the figure? No. I said I'm going to put like 6 figures of collateral down, right? Of my own money for this loan, right? And they were like, yes, but you are too young and you've only been in Cyprus for 8 months. It's like, fuck. Gay. Mega gay. But it is what it is, chat. Listen, now I just need to make the money from trading myself and then pay it cash, which I didn't want to do, but it's never good to use your own money for stuff like that, chat. It's always good to leverage, but fuck it. Chat, 50 in here right now. Listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. 15-minute closing in a minute and a half right now. Get yourself a loan you can easily pay off. You need previous history, a car. Yeah, bro, I've got credit cards. I don't have car loans. I've paid my credit cards off and everything, but it's because I moved to Cyprus recently. It's not realistically my credit. My credit's fine. How do you compare people from Cyprus to the UK? They're a lot more... Actually, it depends, man. Cyprus people are pretty bipolar. They're either mega friendly or mega rude. There's no in between. And the same person one day will be rude and the same person the next day will be friendly. Especially because I'm English, right? I think they don't really like the English people too much. But like, they're either really fucking nice or the complete opposite. Like, there's a woman in the shop that I live near. It's like this 24-hour kiosk thing that I go to pretty much twice a day at this point. Bro, I walk in and she just goes, and won't say a fucking word. She literally goes, nah. It's fucking annoying. Do you think because they have loads of tourists? I don't think they have tourists where I live as much, really. If I was in somewhere like Paphos or Ayia Napa, then yeah, maybe, but Limassol is pretty, not locals, but it's pretty much like residents, businessmen and shit. What's good, Goldie? How's it going, brother? What's good, what's good? Chat, 15 minutes, looks like it wants to close. Doji. This is actually the consolidation of doom right here, chat. ES is doing the same. NQ's pretty much doing the same as well. It's kind of whack. Does bro fuck with Skepta? Big Skeps. Yeah, of course. Why is it doing this thing? Oh, there you go. The shopkeeper single? I don't know. I'll ask next time I go. What's good, Joshua? How's it going, brother? Oi, oi. Oi, oi. What is good? When it's Powell speaking, hang on. I'm getting my crystal ball out. Give me a second. I'm getting something. Hang on. Still thinking here. Crystal ball's coming out. 5 p.m. Speaking at 5 p.m. Try and get residency. I have residency. Nah, not really, actually. I'm close. Do you have any issues with drawing from Apex? I haven't tried yet, to be honest. But no, they pay out if you pass the rules, then they pay out. They paid JCab like 2.5 mil. Oh, for you. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. I was like, what the fuck? Is 5% as a good prop? I don't know. Never used it. If you guys do want the best prop in the space though for FX, ACG currently has 30 bumbleclap% off. If you go over and click that link and use code SUMMER, they're gonna get you 30% off. What do you look for? Counter trend trade, liquidity, market structure shift, tap into previous liquidity areas. Still didn't pull any money from Apex? No, because I haven't been trading them for a while. My number plate on my Audi is now Greece. Crazy. Chat, I actually have a private plate in the UK that I bought for my AMG and then never put it on and never sold it. I actually have the sickest number plate and I never actually I never used it. So if anyone wants to buy it, it's S9 XAU. But I definitely should have put it on, but obviously I moved country, right? S9 XAU. It's pretty fucking sick. How long did it take you to get your first payout? Probably like 18%. So you're with Alpha Capital mostly, or your own capital? Now I'm still funded with Apex. I use my own capital and I'm trading this Tradeify at 150k right here. So I have currently like 750 in funded. The Apex ones, I'm not gonna lie, are in a bit of drawdown. They might get blown. So if they do get blown, I'll let you know. That's why I haven't traded them for a while, because I hit a fat L. I told you guys this story many times, right? But I left an order open overnight by accident and then ended up getting absolutely cooked. Which it is what it is, right? But yeah, that's why I haven't been trading them. In all honesty, in the next 90% off sale that Apex does, I'll probably full margin the ones I've currently got and then stack up some more and, like, you know, try and pass and get back up to those fundeds. I'll probably just blow them all, or obviously get them back to regular. Because if you think about it, right, there's no point me really wasting my time on them. I'm not going to try and crawl out of drawdown. Yeah, it'll be an L, but it is what it is, right? Tradeovate? Yeah, I like Tradeovate the best, to be honest. I like Tradeovate the best. Chat, I'll always be honest with you guys in terms of my fundeds, right? If I blow fundeds, I'll tell you. I'm pretty sure the Apex ones will be blown. And then I'll have to change my title, man, because I won't be 600k. Well, I'm actually 750k, but I'll have to change it because I won't even have that. But I will stack it back up afterwards, right? Tradeovate have their own prop. Tradeovate is like a broker, right? It's basically a platform like MT5, but also a broker. It's weird on futures. What did I do? I took the 1 hour wick entry before and went BE on the 1 hour, but I didn't take any partials and hit BE. What did I do wrong? Should I have taken a partial? Yeah, probably, bro, because it closed respecting a level, right? So you probably should have taken partials on the flip. That probably would have been your best opportunity, because there's no reason for it to break through this range, but it did have an opportunity to flip. So that was your main advantage point, right? What's good, Blizzy? How's it going, brother? The vibe that gives watching your talking video on a night ride is a huge win. You understand much better? Yeah, chat, honestly, those nighttime videos have been going crazy. You guys seem to love them. If you haven't already seen it, I dropped a new one yesterday, or 2 days ago. Absolute banger. Wait, we should have another video out today, actually. Let me just ask my guy. So you have your own money on Tradeovate? No, I don't. I trade my own money's on Forex. I don't trade personal account. How much percentage are you risking on a live funded per trade? 1%. Max drawdown is 6%. No. 5%. Sorry, my bad. 5%. On a funded account, like an evaluation, I'll risk a lot more though. On an evaluation, I'll risk like 2 to 3%. 1% based on account size or the drawdown 1%? No, not 1% of the drawdown, 1% of the account size, yeah. Do you use fixed lots on funded? No, I do 1% risk. On my personal, I do fixed lots, but on funded, it makes way more sense to do 1% risk. Especially, I trade a little bit differently on funded too. Like, we've been holding trades like crazy, chat. I don't know if you've seen, like, but I don't know if you've seen, like, that was so British. I don't know if you've seen, but that's not how I speak, by the way. We've been holding fat runners on this funded recently. Like, let me show you the stats, actually. On the Tradeify, for example, we've been hitting like 80 pip trades, 100 pip trades, 60 pip trades. I think my smallest win has been 50 pips, which is obviously way different to what we used to trade in terms of like holding runners, etc. Oh my days, man. Oh, we gotta get the meta back. Wait. Oh no, not that one. Where's the meta? Chat, the viewbot meta is coming in clutch here. But it's not even a 1-to-1, bro. What the fuck are you doing, bro? I risked 2% on an account for funded. 3 tries to hit it. Yeah, fair, Tracy. Soon I'm coming with the Rastafari live stream trade. Fucking hell, bro. Do you still go BE and take a partial at 10 pips? No. I barely take partials anymore, to be honest. I mean, if I do, it's going to be way higher. Chat, look. Wait, let's take a look at this this funded. What have our wins been? Smallest loss on this account has been like fucking... Sorry, biggest loss has been so small. No, I'm on a losing streak. Chat, I had a trade today for minus 59 bucks. Minus 59 bucks, man. It's 0.03%. Nah, I'm joking. It was obviously a break even that got slipped, right? Fucking annoying, though. Honestly, that's one of my biggest pet peeves. I know it doesn't mean anything, but I hate it because it's red on the screen. But chat, yeah, these W's have been pretty sick. What was this? What's this, Tradeify? Yeah. What's the biggest trade I had? This one? Maybe. 3-3 set. Whoa. Where did it go? 37.8 to 33.4, which is 50 pips. There's been loads, chat. Big runners. Big runners. This was one the other day on stream. It's like 60 pips. It's been crazy. What is it? It's a funded. It's just like Apex. Would you believe in the idea of being older? Wait, would you believe in the idea of being older, 22 to 25, you have more success in the market? It's not based on experience, but maturity. Maturity doesn't really depend on age, brother. Like, I would say I'm more mature than a lot of people that I know that are like 30. There's also probably some 19, 20-year-olds that are more, fucking, what's the word? Mature than me. Have you had payouts from them yet? No, we're up 4K on this account. Got to get it to 9K for the payout. It's the first time I've traded with them too. This is what I'm saying, chat. Like, I'm still so new to futures. I've had one round of Apex accounts. I've had one round of Tradeifys. Passed both of them. But just haven't grabbed a payout on futures yet. But it will come soon, man. It will come soon. It's a whole different ball game, man. It took me a while to get used to it. Like contracts instead of lots and like entry, execution, etc. If I didn't fucking trade on Tradeivate and take that L, we would have had 30K in payouts by now, which is cracked, bro. It's fucked. I don't like to think about that, to be honest. I'm 21 with 200K funding. Nice, Tracy. W, bro. What's good, Brader? Welcome back to the chat, my friend. What do you think of range 1 and range 2 as of 2025 market structure? I don't do range 1, range 2. I do market structure instead. You should just wait for market structure to be in the favor of the direction you're trading, right? And once you have that, it's simple as. You don't need anything else, right? If you're taking buys, bullish market structure. If you're taking sells, bearish. Simple. I'm not one of those people who tries to anticipate the structure shift. I think that's ridiculous. Yeah, maybe you get worse entries, but fuck it. How much time do you take to make this 14K? It's been 9 trading days. It's not 14K, 4K, 4.5K. It's been 9 trading days. But bro, I think that's across 3 or 4 weeks now. It's been such a slow month, man. I've literally had 9 trading days in the past month. Can you imagine? Chat, that's pure discipline right there to have. Wait, let's take a look, actually. I've had 9 trading days. When the fuck did we start the account? All right. Holy shit, chat. Yeah, it's been a month. It's been over a month. I've been trading on my live account throughout this process anyway, so I haven't been not making any money, right? But the point is, 17th, 1 trading day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now with today, 10, technically. But look, 1 trade this week, 2 trades this week, 1 trade this week. 1 trade this week, 2 this week. The biggest week we've had is 3 trades, bro. It's cooked. Chat, 2 minutes here to the hourly close, though. Holy fucking discipline, though. Wait, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had 8 days without a trade just now. That's a long time, chat. By the way, if you close bearish below this structure here, realistically, there's no reason you shouldn't continue down. But you need to close probably below like 69. Oh, cooked. Chat, but enough about me, right? How's the rest of your guys' trading week been? What you guys been up to? How many trades you taken? Are you guys in profit for the week? Negative? Whatever. How is your accounts doing? Anyone passed any fundeds? Let me know, man. You don't take quick partials anymore, but what do you do with the SL? When do you go BE? At structure points. Same as before, right? I go break even on a like a wick fill or whatever. Gotta say, bro, I appreciate your streams. Nice to see someone that's not a scammer chilling. Yeah, I know, bro. I appreciate it, man. I think the industry needed it. I can't lie. Not to be cocky, but I was fed up with the industry too. That's why I kind of started streaming. Made $1,100 on my 50K funded yesterday on gold. Nice, bro. Good shit. Good shit, Mr. Daily Podcast. That's a W. What do you think about FTMO? I mean, they're reputable, right? I've seen something recently with them denying payouts, so I'm not sure. As a rule of thumb, chat, I'll never tell you about a prop firm that I've never traded with, right? And I've never traded with FTMO, so Also, they limit traders' risk to like... I've seen loads of stuff about limiting traders to 1% per trade and shit, which is kind of crazy. 1 minute left though, chat, till the close. If I'm not from the US, what props would you recommend? ACG, bro, is the best one by far. It's cheap. They don't deny payouts. And yeah, bro. That's about it. They've got 30% off right now if you use code SUMMER, I believe. Do we need a breaking structure on the same time frame we're looking for entries? Just some of them, bro. Like, they need to align. Realistically, I'd want the same structure on all time frames. But I know that's quite difficult, so you just have to favor the higher time frame. 4 trades this week, 3 profits, 1 break even. Nice, Sammeet. Congrats, brother. Congrats. By the way, DM me on Instagram with an update of what we were speaking about before. Because I want to see an update for that. Should I take a trade outside my trading hours if I see a good setup? No. Definitely not. That's number 1 mistake. There's a reason you set trading hours, right? Chat, holy consolidation right now. What the fuck? We're stuck in the range of doom right now. Widdowly. What's good, Santos? How's it going, brother? Welcome to chat. Welcome back. I'm B on my demo right now. Still haven't got very comfortable with trading with this strat, but I'm trying to figure it out. I'm having some trouble managing my positions. Mark, just use previous structure for break-evens, use wick fills, or just go at 10 pips. I don't know. It's something you have to figure out for your trading is what I was trying to say. Journal all your trades and then figure out what the best break-even point for you is. Chat, 75 people in here right now, 20 likes. You lot are mental. Listen, 50 likes on the stream, we'll do a nice little giveaway. We did one yesterday. Mark won an account. Absolute GG's to Mark. So yeah, listen. Are you a gallus? It's crazy. Did Mark get his account? He asked me to give it to him next week, so he doesn't have to wait. He will get his account though, don't you worry. But to be fair, actually, Mark, I'll give you the code and then you can just use it whenever you want. Chat, we're also going to start doing weekly giveaways in the Discord. So if you're not already in the free Discord, in the TRLS trading Discord, make sure you fucking join it because we're going to do weekly giveaways in there. I think, why did it give me an error when I typed a message? That's weird. I think we're going to do them on Sundays, every Sunday in the Discord. I think that makes the most sense. What's good, Raze? How's it going, brother? What's good? What's good? What's good? Okay. 1 hourly open bottom wick first. 30-minute close doji. 15 doji. 5 bullish. Consolidation of dreams, man. Or of doom, I guess. Not of dreams. Chat, would you get neck off a man for 10 mil? Yes or no? Oh my days, chat. I'm happy with that break even earlier though, because I wouldn't want to sit through this consolidation. Even though I would have got profit, chat, honestly, it's to the point now, I'm so disciplined with my trading. I would rather have a break even or even a loss and get out than sit for hours in consolidation. I just can't be bothered with it. Like, honestly, it's just not worth it. I'm in long from the past 1 hour, stop loss at daily low. Hopefully it plays out, gang, but I have a feeling we ripped down here, to be truly honest. Look at where the liquidity is being grabbed from. 4 hour closed doji as well, I forgot to say. Oh no, yeah, that's a 4 hour. Previous though, 2 hour I mean. Closed doji. I'd even let it be taxed. Bro, yeah, honestly. Would you get negative from him? Bro, it's not taxable income, surely. Would you what? Nah, nothing, man. When sells, we'll see what happens. Oh, Blizzy versus Himanch right here. Battle of the trades. Now, you could both win, to be fair. You could both win. What the Sigma? Chat, someone asked me yesterday if ACG pays out. There's your answer. I'm calling my small hat friends for backup. No, not the small hat, friends. In that case, let me jump in them as well. Holy shit, I'll jump in the cells with you if you're getting the small hat people involved. Chat, we're pushing down here quite aggressively, which is good. I do think you've got room to fill the range, but look at the way we reject here every single time, man. It's so fucking annoying. Can we just get out of this consolidation? That would be super nice. Super duper nice. Oh my days, bro. It's kind of scary. It could honestly go both ways. Yeah, that's the thing, Blizzy. At least make sure you manage risk, right? Because it's just consolidating right now. If you do close below here, though, chat, I think you got so much potential. You grab liquidity from above as well. So that would be our accumulation, right? Manipulation. A little bit more accumulation. And then the distribution down here, right? But honestly, I had sells earlier because I thought we'd rip, but it hasn't made any moves yet, man, which is so difficult. You got COMEX open here in about 15 minutes, chat. 5 minutes is closing bearish by the looks of things. Chat, should we call up Jerome? Should be like, yo, give me a blood clot position right now. Chat, by the way, does anyone in here know how to edit videos? Whilst I've got you guys here and I've got your attention. At least even like basic knowledge, right? I might have a job opportunity for you guys. Microsoft Movie Maker, crazy. I'd rather be in a position where I'm looking for price to go in my direction but don't take the trade because it's not my playbook than enter and watching. Yeah, trust me. I do mess around in Sony Vegas. Smike, if you want a job, DM me. Well, chat, anyone who like even scrolls TikTok a lot? All right, we have a job. I need some brain rot people to give me some services. That sounds weird. Let's have it then. What's good, Tyler? How's it going, brother? Chat, can we get out of this range of doom, please? Please. Please, sir. We need to get out the range. Tung Tung Sahur is crazy. That's... I think we left that behind in Q2. Not gonna lie, I don't think it's still active. Might be a short stream today, chat. I can't lie. It's fucking hot in this room as well. I'll give you some services. Crazy work. What's good, Alex? How's it going, brother? Chat, is it me or does this feel this week feel super long? How can I connect to your community? The Discord is right here, bro. I just sent the link in. Free Discord right there. Is it too private to ask about how much is on your own capital account? Yes. I don't share that information. What does profitability feel like? You start like levitating, bro. It's mad. The moment you become profitable, you literally stand there in your room and you start floating up into the sky like this. It's fucking crazy. The moment that first payout is requested, you can actually fly. Nah, it feels like nothing different, bro. It's just another day. It's weird. It's one of them things, right? It's the same as anything in life. You think that it's gonna change your life and then it never does. Discord, please. I just sent the link into the Discord. Do you go to church? Not as much as I should, right? Nutsack fills with helium. Crazy. That is honestly crazy work. First payout when I had it, I bought teeth, some facings. Crazy. Bro bought gold teeth, you know. Chat, what are you guys going to buy when you get your first payout? Or if you have got your first payout, what did you buy? How come it doesn't change your life? I mean, no, it could change your life, but it won't change your, like... if you're depressed or whatever, it's not going to change that. I mean, maybe it will. But chat, same with anything, right? Oh my days, I need a coffee. One sec. I actually can't do this. Give me 2 seconds. How the fuck did I magic a coffee in like that? I actually did I just did a magic spell to get some coffee. I'm gonna deposit all the profits into my live account. That's a smart idea. Smart idea. Maybe spend some of it on yourself. Chat, I've been watching a lot of Julian Petroulas recently, right? And he makes me realize how much of a small fish I am, right? This guy makes... Well, sometimes, right? He has like $1 million days in the market. Fucking crazy work. This is what I mean, right? Like, I'll have a 5K day here and there. Like, on my live account, I've had 6K days, which is fucking good. Don't get me wrong. But like, I see this guy making like 2-3 mil in one position. I'm like, fuck. Okay, let me lock it in. Does he trade ICT? No, he trades fundamentals, like with actual stocks. I think that'll be my next move as well. When I get serious billies to play with, right? Meow, 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 meow. Makes way more than 1 to 2 mil on a position. Nah, bro. I mean, some of the positions he shows are like 3 mil, 4 mil, but like that's the top end, I think. But like, I'm talking about in a day, bro. He's had positions where it's been 1 to 2 mil in a day, which is fucked. Stupid money, honestly. No wonder this guy's driving around with a driver in the back of his Cullinan and shit. Like, that's different level, chat. That's the dream, though. That's what I'm saying, though. With trading specifically, there's always a bigger fish to fry, right? There's always a bigger fish. He shows buying 10 mil Palantir when it was like $7. Yeah. That is crazy. Slippage must be a good pain, eh? Yeah, trust me. Now it's 160. Yeah, but he didn't hold the entire way. Do you still know Sean Lee and those scammers from Astro FX? I don't know who the fuck either of those people are. Sean Lee and Astro FX. I've never heard of both of those. He doesn't show all his positions? Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Ripping down here, chat. He's holding? Nah, I'm pretty sure he closed out his Palantir position. He said the other day. Could be wrong, though. Are you in this position? No. I'm not. I put it on the screen because I wanted to show a closure above, right? And then I forgot about it. Now we've come down and broken the lows. Chat, this could either be liquidity for a drive back up, or we get a nice little closure here, top wick, and we can take the sells to fill the range down. But this is good, chat. As long as we can pop outside of the other. Right? This could be liquidity for us to come back up, or this could be our closure below. Either way, chat, this is good because we're now not consolidating. I mean, you still might go back into consolidation, but you've grabbed some form of liquidity either way. My sales would have been printing, but I would have sat through 10 billion years of drawdown for that, and I just can't be bothered. I'd rather get out, break even immediately, and then come back and get an entry later, right? Blizzy, be careful though, bro, because this could just be pure liquidity. Chat, lock it in here though. We're starting to get some potential. You got a 15-minute close in 2 minutes. Comics open shortly. 30-minute and hourly still has no top wick, really. It's from back in the day, bro. 5 years ago. I've never seen that shit, no. Chat, I wasn't really in the trading community when I first started. Like, I didn't really engage with anyone. It's crazy. In fact, I've never really been in trading social media. I don't really watch any trading content. I don't really, like, associate with any other people in trading. We just do us, man. TRLS is like a standalone community, which is kind of sick if you think about it, because I'm not associating with any other people. It's just me, us, building this community together. It's fucking crazy. Thank you. Fucking stacked up. Look at that. We're all going to get TRLS tattoos soon. Bro, anyone who gets a TRLS tattoo gets a 300k funded. I said this. That's the almighty deal. Chat, 50 likes on the stream right now or you're all gay. Yeah. Big threats now. Why won't this open, bro? I want to pour this in here. Yeah. Chat, I don't know about you guys, but it feels way better having a coffee from a plastic cup than... I mean, plastic's bad for you, but... Then you feel like you've got a Starbucks. I disliked immediately. Crazy. Do you actually use trend lines? No. Yay. Chat, 15 closing here in 28 seconds. What's going to happen? Say swear, I'll literally book an appointment for a tattoo. Swear. 300k funded if you get a TRLS tattoo. Take a photo of it. Tag me on your Instagram. Or even just send it to me, right? I don't care. Bun Rastafari. I'm joking. Chat, 15 minutes closing. Ooh, below the level. Holy. Top wick first as well. I can't take this, chat. I cannot take this. Get it tattooed on your forehead. If you get it on your forehead, you get a stern talking to for being a silly boy. Because that is ridiculous. 15 top wick and flip here, chat. We might drive down. You have room on the 15 down towards like 64? Yeah. I can't take this though. I want to wait for Comex and then like a strong 30 close. 1 hour still got no top wick, right? This could be the liquidity grab of dreams for us to then just levitate back up towards these highs. Remember, chat, you have accumulation, then you have the little liquidity grab. So we've had the like consolidation here. This could be the liquidity grab for us to then do this and make this move. And you don't see? And you don't want to get caught in that move first, right? If you get taken as liquidity, you're cooked. There's no way it's coming back. So just be careful. Bro, I'm actually going crazy in this little room. That actually made me a little bit dizzy. Someone's just joined stream and gone like, what the fuck is this weirdo doing, bro? Listen, chat. 3 minutes till Comex open. That's going to give you a lot of volume here. If this is liquidity, you have a good bit of volume to push up after Comex open. If the 15 flips, you're probably going to drive down. But again, I'd rather wait for the more confirmation and then take the position, right? So we're either going to get like this closure below back here. Stops above the highs, or we wait for the flip and we get the closure for the buys back up. I think the buys are going to be better, actually. I can't lie. Like a closure back above here, stops below, it stops at 75 pips. It's not the best, but we could take something up towards the high like that. I don't think that's bad at all, chat. Especially if it's on the 1 hour, bro. That would be a market structure flip as well. Let's see, chat. I think there's a lot of opportunity here. So stay locked in, stay focused. And yeah, man. Yeah, man. Chat, we want to end the week with a nice W, right? We don't want to end the week with a FOMO position. That would be retarded. All right, so let's stay locked in. Fuck it. Are we going to flip here? Comex in 1 minute. Hopefully it brings some good volume, I swear. Otherwise I'm going to break my monitor. I would like a bullish close on the next 30 minute. Ride it up towards the highs. Blizzy, by the way, that's a great closure, bro. I think you might have been... I think we're going to see this as the liquidity grab here. So you took advantage of that, then the push up. Oh, chat, actually, I tell a lie. I had a trade as well this morning on my top step of vows. Which was something like, wait, it was 5 minutes. It was this wick entry here. I took up towards the high. I actually closed around here for like 35 pips. Only like 1% or something on the day, right? But across 5 accounts, not too bad. Again, evaluations though. Does Apex have the activations fee? If so, does that come included for the tattoo? Yes, I'll pay for your activation fee on that evaluation if you get a TRLS tattoo. It doesn't come included, but I'll pay for it. That's a crazy promise. At that point, that's a free funded. Was bottom ticked? W, bro. I had to think about it for a second, I can't lie, but I think the marketing's worth it. So, fly me out and I get a tattoo? No. Got to be a big tattoo? Yeah, chat, it can't be a... Yeah, that is a fucking... Gareth, good point. It can't be like a minuscule one like that. It has to be... Maybe not this big, right? This one's quite big. The TRLS one, but... I mean, if it is that big, then great. It's probably like... I don't even know how big it is. 15 centimeters? Chat, if we close like this, we're going to rip up. What's good thoughts on sales? No way. We just swept the previous... Well, we swept Asia lows, daily lows. I'm looking at buys here, chat, to be honest. Comics open right now. 5 minute. Oh, this is interesting, chat. Rather interesting, I can't lie. A lot of volume here as well. 5 minute broke structure too. If the 30 closes like this, chat, we're getting in. We're jumping in, man. That would be a nice little position, I can't lie. So let's see what we can do here, chat. It should go all the way up towards 33.79-ish. Yeah, I would say that's a relatively decent range for us to push up to here. I'm shook of needles, so never going to happen, but I thought that might encourage people to do it. Yeah, smart. How can you be shook of needles, bro? They're like little tiny things. Comics open right now. I know, yeah, giving us some volume, which is good. Holy 5 minute. Is this 15 going to flip? Mad. If this 15 flips, chat, that is actually devious work. Because in that case, it will rip down, realistically. I don't think there's any reason for it to, though. The 5 minute broke structure after fucking grabbing all that liquidity. Chat, are we back in 2 secs, yeah? Holy. I'm back, chat. Don't fear. SG is here. Yeah, that was gay. I can't lie. Listen. This is interesting, bro. Are we going to flip on this 15? Realistically, if we get a 30-minute bullish close, like I said, we're going to be good to go. But looks like you might reject that 30-minute bullish close. Kind of interesting. I don't know why you would sweep Asian lows and then reject the sweep of Asian lows, if that makes sense. Like, you should rip up from here, if anything. So it doesn't really make too much sense to me, but again, we might still push up here, chat. This might be the nice little closure that we need, right? 5 minutes still open, bottom wick first. Should be interesting here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, chat. Wagwan, what's good, Rastafari? No bottom wick on the previous 5 as well, so you might want to come and grab that too. This is interesting work here, chat. Very, very interesting. In that case, if you do actually close below, chat, what's most likely going to happen then is we actually will continue down, right? So either way, I think we're going to get a position here in the next, like, 5 minutes, hopefully. Unless the 30 closes in the middle of nowhere, then we're going to be cooked, right? Then we're going to have to wait for the hourly or maybe the 15-minute. But if the 30-minute can close either bullish or bearish below, then we should get some positions. But again, chat, it's time for patience right now. Patience pays, right? You know the fucking settings. Bow. 15 might flip. Crazy, chat. That makes no sense to me. You came up and broke the previous high, though. 5 minute no bottom wick on the close. Very interesting again, man. This is crazy. Are we just going to go back into consolidation? That's the other problem, right? Are we just going to enter the range of doom again? I hope not. Yep, maybe. Not the range, not the rod. I know. The range of doom, man. It's so tough. Power speaking when? In like an hour and 30 minutes? Wait. Yeah, right? Hour and 30 minutes. Interesting, chat. So again, we're not going to be trading during that time, right? You're going to enter with small risk on your funders to get some of the sleepy loss back. What's sleepy loss? No. Oh, yeah, the one. Nah. Bro, I don't enter trades with small risk, right? Like, I will only enter a position with full risk. If I'm thinking about entering with small risk, most likely means that the position's not valid, right? And then why would I be taking it in the first place? You know what I mean? Oh, tap back into the level here. Show me how big this tattoo gotta be. I would say like, I don't know, 10 centimeters. All right, 2 minutes to the 3 minutes, sorry, to the 30-minute close. Tap back off the level here, chat. Fair point, I like that. Yeah, it makes no sense to me when people say like, yeah, I'm entering with small risk here, because to me, that just means you're not confident in your position, right? And why would you enter a trade if you're not confident in your position? It doesn't really make much sense. This 5 no bottom wick's cool. 10 centimeters, that's massive, is it? 10 I'm pretty sure that's average, no? It's above average. Consider it implemented. Good shit, Joshua. Struggling to push back up here. So even when you're tapping off the level here, you're struggling to push up. It looks like 30 minutes going to close in slap bang in the middle of nowhere. I'm actually pissed. Pissed. Wait, was it? Try to run a boy down and my Air Force pissed because now I've got a crease in the middle. Don't be pissed, man. 10 centimeters is not above average. Liar. Oh, 10 centimeters above average. Thank you. At least someone who's speaking sense. Why is this still ripping down? I have no... Like, I have no idea why you'd... Gonna get TRLS and Trident above it? That's cold. I was gonna get a Trident, actually... That was my last plan for a final tattoo. Like, right here, above my knee, through the middle of these, like, leaves, I was gonna get a Trident, but... I never got around to it. Pushing down So it rejected off the range, rejected off Asia lows, and it's like, nah, we're going to push through them. No more tatties for SG? Whoa. You're not my boss. Chat, 5 minutes till we maybe get some, not 5 minutes, 1 minute mate till we maybe get some sells here. If you close respecting, you got no trade, obviously, right? If you close below, you could take the sells to come down. And if the 30-minute closed bullish, we would have taken the buys. But obviously, I mean, you got 49 seconds. If it decides to close bullish now, I'd be happy. But I don't think it's going to happen. You got some Greek tattoos? All of my tattoos are Greek. Every single one. This PA kind of cooked? Yeah, it is. Shafted myself out of a mega trade. Nah, bro, you didn't. You just managed risk. It's chill. It happens, bro. It's part of trading. Oh, we're going to close respecting the range, aren't we? We're actually going to close respecting the range. Oh, chat, this could be good. Oh my days, you actually close respecting. You actually close respecting. Watch it rip down now, chat. Like, watch. That is actually crazy work. Bro, you closed right on my level. Like, literally right on my level. It could not have been more on my level. Thoughts on NQ today? I don't trade NQ, brother, so I can't give you thoughts. Apologies, but... I mean, it looks somewhat bullish. I think you got a level there, though, right? You're missing out, man. Nah, I stick with what works for me, bro. Some people like NQ. It's one of them ones, bro. It's like personal preference. For me, at the minute, gold's working. It has been working for the past couple of years. So I'm going to stick with it. NQ's fire? Yeah, apparently so. Apparently so. I've never tested it on my strategy. I know people that trade the TRLS strategy and it works, right? But Greece is my target location because of the capital gains. Only have to live there 90 years. I don't live in Greece, bro. I live in Cyprus. It's different rules, but... Yeah, with me, I think... Well, I live here all the time, but I think you could only live here, yeah, for like 90 days, and I think you'd still be fine. Watch this shit run now, chat. After it fucking closed respecting the level, right? Of course. Holy skibbity, man. Oh, my days. It's going to take out the lows, and then it should pop. This is such cooked PA, bro. Such strange price action, honestly. Very, very weird here, chat. Like, I don't really understand why... First of all, why it would take Asian lows and reject all the way back up like this and then retrace the move. Doesn't make much sense. Unless it's liquidity to grab more liquidity to then come down, right? Which is fair. And then... Bro. It closed below on FX? Oh yeah, kind of did actually. Kind of did. Alright, well watch this shit just... Oh, mega rip down. There you go. Risk free? Nice. W mark. Bro, it just had to close respecting the level, eh? It just had to. Classic gold. Nah, but it is what it is, man. Listen, if I don't get a position, I'm not mad at it. Like, it's just something you have to deal with. Unfortunately, it's something you have to deal with. It should fill the range down towards, like, 14 now on FX, if you guys are in. On futures, it should fill down towards 50, 55. A close fill for 45 pips? I thought you were done for the day. I swear you said you were done for the day, Mr. Blizzy. I could be wrong. But if you said that, I'm going to have to call you out on it. Previous 15-minute no bottom wick? Yeah. That's true, actually. Holy shit. No, I didn't? Okay, fair. You're forgiven then, Mr. Blizzy. Not that there's anything to be forgiven of, but there you go. Oh, chat. What the skibs. I just managed my first position and then re-entered. Okay. How would you manage this? BE and partials? Yeah, like you've got a level right here at 64, which is probably a good level to be taking some profit off the table. It could reject here, right? Appreciate that you check people's discipline. Yeah, anytime, bro. Anytime. Yo, I don't have fucking anything here, man. Like, it closed respecting the level. So we can wait for like a 15-minute or a 5-minute, maybe a 5-minute. You have tapped into a key area here now, though. Any tips to pass my first funded account? What's good, Teddy? Take it slow, brother. Take it slow, steady. I don't think there's any reason why you should rush it. 1% risk, take A+ setups only, 1 trade a day. You've heard all of this shit before, but the reason you've heard it before is because that's actually what works, you know? Might flip here, chat. We probably would have got hit break even, right? If it closed below. If it comes back up here. Interesting, chat. Interesting. 1 L and 1 win on London session, and now 2 wins in pre and Y. So we're chilling up about 3% on the week. Good shit, Blizzy. Chat. This gets tough here. The hourly close could be super nice, right? But if it's not gone already by the hourly, it seems a bit weird, right? This should just rip straight through. There's no reason it shouldn't, unless it needs more liquidity. Remember also, like, this is fucking this close respecting, first of all, and 30-minute kind of no top wick here. This could be liquidity as well. What's good, Calm? How's it going, brother? How you doing, man? How's your week been? This guy's about to be like, yeah, I'm just a light little 10K up for the week. Nothing major. Chat, it's a Friday tonight. I think I'm going to go out for dinner later. That was so British. Later. I think I'm going to go out for dinner later with one of my business partners, do some work. 8K yesterday. Yeah, something light for the boy Calm, eh? Chat, what are you guys' plans for the weekends, man? What are you guys up to this weekend? I'm going to be working my ass off. Now that the bank said no to my fucking loan, I need to make more money, chat. So we need to fucking... Someone tell the market, please, to give us some more setups. Just tell it for next week. Yo, just give me some more setups. Or actually, Jerome's speaking later, right? Should we try and get into Jerome's camp and tell him what to say? Oh, chat, we flipped here. Holy shit. Very interesting. Did we have a 5 closure below? Oh, you did. That's tough. If that 5 had never closed below and it closed above, that would have been interesting. Got hit BE? Yeah, man. Chat, I still have a feeling this is liquidity. I'm calling with Jerome. Which direction you want? Up. Tell him to pump that shit up. Oh, man. Right. Seriously now. It's not funny anymore, chat. Took a partial W mark. Good shit, man. Chat. Whoa. 15-minute close bullish here might be nice as well. You broke the previous lows. You have a wick fill up towards the highs. Chat's a lot more calmer today, actually. Is it because it's a Friday? I think it might be. You guys might be a little bit more tired, a little bit less locked in. Yesterday was just diabolical in chat. That was honestly the worst fucking, most degenerate chats I've seen in a while. Pushing back down here, chat, after that 5 flipped. Holy hell. Only 36 likes? What are these salads doing? Yeah, chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, man. I think we might be calling it here shortly. Yesterday was crazy work. Honestly, it was insane, bro. I haven't seen anything like that in a long time. You have a range to fill here, chat. No real reason it shouldn't fill the range. 5 minutes to the 15-minute closure. Bro, what the fuck is this? Bro, it's just pre-news price. Honestly, it might be worth calling it a day, chat, because this price action is not the one. Boom, boom. So this could flip right now, or it could close above. This you managed good? Yeah, I think so, Mark. Because this could still rip up here. I genuinely think there's like no real direction yet. Because this could easily, chat, it could easily be liquidity. Like, there's so much potential for this to just be liquidity. For us to then rip back through, right? You took Asian lows. In the past, you've tapped into these levels and rejected before, like right here. Look at where we just tapped into, chat. Like exactly on that liquidity level before rejecting. So there's nothing that's telling us that this doesn't flip and rip straight up through the range. One sec, chat. One sec. I have to sort something out real quick. Alright, cool. What the fuck? What the flip? Somewhere it fucks around here before news? Yeah, that's the problem, chat. You got news shortly. I mean, it's not really news. You got speeches, right? So it's a bit different to news. Because there's no actual news, right? Yeah, no, there's no news, really. So, realistically, it's probably waiting for Powell to speak. If we get a closure bullish in the next 4 minutes on that 15-minute close, we should be good to take the buys up. Otherwise, I'm probably going to call it here, chat. I don't want to chase an entry here on a Friday afternoon. I might just call it a no-trade week, to be honest, which is kind of crazy, but it's one of them ones. I'm calling it, bro. Might be smart, Mark. Might be smart. Aggressive pushes upwards here. Thanks for all the advice. See you guys in a bit, Mark. Peace out, man. Three minutes, chat, to the 15 close. That's going to be our position today. If it's not this one, then it's going to be pretty cooked, I can't lie, and we'll just play a GeoGuessr and call it a week. An early week, but a week nonetheless. Oh shit, why did I load that back up? Music stopped. Damn, alright. Not a good week for the Pip and Dippers. Yeah, I know. It's actually not, bro. It's actually not a good week for the Pip and Dippers. The guys who pull up just for a trade, that's maybe why they're not here today, because we haven't had a trade all week. They're like, fuck this guy, he doesn't take any trades. I'm not listening to him anymore. I don't want education, value, and entertainment. I just want a trade, man. This guy's too disciplined. Yeah, trust me. I need to find someone who takes a trade more often. I need to find someone who full margins and doesn't actually make money trading. Oh my days, chat. What the hell? Yeah, chat, that's it. I'm not trading this bullshit. It's cooked. Game over. Listen, man, let's play the GeoGuessr and call it an early week, because I'm not wasting my time sitting here. You guys don't need to waste your time either. Look, man, I appreciate the vibes. I appreciate the support, the good questions, the educational insights, all of that good shit. If you guys are gonna dip right now, make sure you drop a like on the stream and subscribe if you're new. Otherwise, join the Discord, subscribe, and join the GeoGuessr as well. Fuck it. Finally, what I wait for all day? Yeah, trust me. Chat, you get 5 seconds to join the GeoGuessr. Otherwise, I'm starting with all these man here. Take care, SG. Enjoy the weekend. YouTube, Lizzie. All right. Starting it up. You guys are cooked for this one, though. Oh, shit. Watch me catch another W on this. Brilliant. That doesn't help me. Club Atletico Tigre. It's got to be like Colombia or some shit, nah? Medellin. Fuck. Nowhere even close, bro. Yeah, stick me in a forest, man. That's good, actually. How are you meant to realize where this is? That's the chief of the village. What is? We actually are in the mega village right now. Where is this, bro? Panama or some shit. What? Bro, I'm actually getting absolutely cooked. How's Triz on 4k points nearly? I've got 100. Oh, it's official. This game's gay. I'm calling it right now, chat. This game's gay. I reckon it's got to be like here somewhere. Yeah, I'll take it. All right, the comeback's slightly on, but everyone got that one. All right, I'm back in third. I'll take it. This game might not be gay anymore. Night spelt wrong. N-I-G-T-H. How the fuck did they put that sign up there? How did they not realize that? Oh, that's why. Oh. Yeah, man. I'll take it. Still in third though. Holy shit. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, chat. What should I go eat? Where the fuck is Gambero? What does that even mean? Spain? Portugal? Fuck knows. Italy? Oh, fuck. Alright, Triz W. Johannes, admin. Good shit. Listen, chat. Oh my days, it's so indecisive right now. Look, chat, that's been it from me, man. Chat, hopefully you guys had a great week. I know we didn't get a trade this week, but look, discipline is more important than one trade. Honestly, absolutely killing it, fellas. Make sure you come back next week on Monday morning. We'll be back 12:30 for the streams. Other than that, chat, peace out. Much love. See you guys in the next one. Bye.